Don't make ugly slides in PowerPoint. Instead, make something beautiful like this. In this video, I will show you exactly how I created this professional Easter theme slide. And if you want the editable file, you will find the link in the description below. So, let's get started. First, right click on the slide and choose Format Background. Click on Picture or Texture Fill and insert your background image. Next, go to Shape, select Rectangle and draw it over your slide. Now, insert a text box and type your first text. Change the font to Segoy UI Black and set the size to 80. Duplicate the text box, type your second text and increase the size to 138. Duplicate once more, reduce the font size. Change the font style, make it bold and add your subtitle. Select both text boxes along with the rectangle. Go to Merge Shape, select Combine. Now, change the shape fill color, remove the outline and add a shadow offset center from Shape Effect. Go to Animation, apply Fly in Animation. Set the direction to from right. Open Effect option, go to Timing, set the duration to 2 seconds and increase the bounce end for a smooth effect. Now, click on Slideshow and watch the magic happen. See how elegant and professional this Easter theme design looks. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can transform your slide into something unique and eye-catching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to Akshrika Tutorials for more creative PowerPoint tricks. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss my next video. Thanks for watching.